Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Most Wanted Tech. Today it's going to be a very special video. I'm going to discuss about new policy regarding Google Photos. Guys, we are all aware that Google gave free space to store our photos, videos and all other memories. So you know what, guys? Google Photos has been launched more than 5 years ago. Today, more than 4 trillion photos are stored in Google Photos, and every week, 28 billion new photos and videos are uploaded in Google Photos. It's really a great job from Google, guys. It's really giving a free storage to store photos and everything till today. But for a change, Google came up with new policy for Google Photos. So before this, we used to store our photos at high quality at free of cost and without occupying any storage in Google Photos of high quality photos, guys. I'm talking about high quality photos. It was absolutely for free space. But from June 1st, 2021, even that high quality images are going to occupy space in Google Photos. So you can't, there is no longer available of free storage for photos in Google Photos, guys. There every single photo will occupy storage in Google Photos. So in this video I'm going to show how to download all the photos that is available in your Google Photos and convert into a zip file and store it somewhere in your phone, your pen drives or on any external hard disk, because nowadays every mobile contains of 128 GB, 256 GB and more than that. So a compressed file of all photos, it could be around a 10 GB or can be 20 GB, guys. So now I'm going to show you how to download that compressed file from Google Photos. So all you need to is go to google.com and just open here this Google applications. Now here direct to photos. So you will be redirect to Google Photos in this. So you need to go to settings over here. Just click on settings. After coming to settings, so that this is what I'm telling, guys, in this video. This is a new policy where Google have changed. In a free storage, there will be a reduce of photos and it won't occupy any storage. So but from June 1st, 2021, even that high quality photos going to be stored this occupy the space. So let's back to the point. Now how to download the data and photos from the Google Photos. You will find an option over here, export your data. Just click on that. After just clicking on that, you need to select what you want to export from Google Photos, whether it's some any album or all photos. I prefer you to download every photo from Google Photos, but by which you will have some storage for your further upcoming days, guys. So just click on next step. So here there even will be an option to you, like where you need to deliver the storage. You need to add to drive or Dropbox or OneDrive to box. So it better you keep like the link will be sent it to your email address. Once it convert into a file, you just can download from there. Even I'll show it, right? So there will be a frequency, guys. How you want to download the photos, it depend upon individual. Like you need to download all photos at a time, or like 6 exports, like export every 2 months for 1 year. For example, there are you've been using for Google Photos 3 years, there will be around 18 exports. That's what I'm trying to tell in this. Okay, I prefer to export all at a time. See, guys, here you can use the file type and size. The file type, it will be considered zip type, and export larger than 5 files will be split into multiple files. So please increase your storage. Just keep it up to 50 GB. There is no wrong to keep it around 50 GB. The file may go up to 50 GB, it can, but it will convert into only one part rather than into splitting. So just keep it at 50 GB limit, 50 GB limit. If does it exceed more than 50 GB, it will convert into one more 50 GB file. So all you need to is just click export, create export. So after that, guys, it will give you an notification like this. The process can take a long time, possibly hours or days, but it won't take that, guys. It just take around, what I can say, it take around 1 to 2 hours. It depend upon how much photos do you have in your Google Photos, maximum to maximum. Okay, So after that you will receive a mail like this: your data is ready to download. So you just need to click on that, guys. Now this is where you can download the photos. You just need to click download your files. After that a zip file will be downloaded, and that is the file where you can store anywhere. You can re-upload it to Google Drive, or you can store in your pen drives, your mobile phone, your hard disk, or any other place. These changes gonna take place from June 1st, 2021. Until like May 31st night 12 o'clock, it will be the same. You can upload as much as photos you can. It won't take any storage till May 31st, 2021 night 11:59 p.m. Okay, guys. If you have any doubt regarding how to export the files or how to download the photos from Google Photos, just please let me know below in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video if you like this, and please do subscribe the channel and share with your family members and friends to spread this information to them. It even helps them to store their storage, right? Save their storage. So thanks for watching again. Have a lovely day. Stay safe, stay happy.